Sometimes you want to reach out to people and generate a automated video for a specific person, and I'm going to show you how you will create a tailor-made single personalized video for just a specific person. So let me show you. Now, if I want to do this, then I need to be in single videos and then create single automated video. And then what I'm going to select is basically video which I'm going to reach out with, an automated video. And the next thing is, well, how would I like to create this video? Well, in my head, I want to start on Weezly's LinkedIn, switch to their company page, and then switch to my company page to make this video. So let's do this. Now, the first thing first, we need to switch to multi-motion, and then we need to start on the LinkedIn profile. That's how I would like to do this video. So if I select the LinkedIn profile, here I need to pass in the LinkedIn profile of this person. So I'm just going to go to LinkedIn and select the person I want to reach out to with personalized video. Hit this one and start and pass it in. Cool. Now I would like to switch to their website, and in order for me to find out where this person is working, what company, I just need to scroll down, select the latest experience where they are working, hit this button, and then go to About page to find out this company's website. So I'm just going to copy this URL, go back to Weezly, hit Add, and then Custom Website, and just pass this in. Now, this is perfect. So now we have their leads LinkedIn, and then I can move this where this switch will happen. So if I just preview the video, it's going to look like this, and it's going to jump to their website. Perfect. And the last thing I want to do is maybe just switch to my website. So it is weezly.com, and that's it. And now the only thing I need to do is just move where this switch is going to happen. The next thing we want to do, which is very important, is to add a title, because this will be fetched to the person when you send this on LinkedIn. So what I would like to do is go back, and I'm going to send this video to this specific person, which is named Adam. So I'm just going to say, hi Adam, check this out. I can also add a meetings page if I would like to book a meeting with Adam, and then select this. And if I'm happy with how everything looks like, if I moved everything to all the switches, the only thing I need to do now is just hit create automated video. And now Weezly will start to generate this video, and let me show you how it looks like once it's generated, and how do you send this. All right, the video has been generated. Once again, you will find it in single videos. Click on the video if you would like to preview it, and just hit the preview button here, and it's going to look like this. So the only thing if you want to see how it looks like, hit the play, and you will see all the switches that you have done, and when you switch to Lead's website, and then maybe to your website. And the only thing you need to do now is just copy this URL, go to that person's LinkedIn or whatever, and just pass this one in. And what Weezly will do now is fetch the preview of this image. So you will see a very nice GIF image with waving after a while, and then you will be able to see. And there it is. And there's the title and everything. You're ready to go. That's how you create a single adapted personalized sales video for this specific person. Awesome. Good luck, and see you on Weezly.com. Bye-bye.